Hello, friends and students and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. So today we are going to see where and how do you open Solman? What should we do? What is Solman? Solman means this is one of the SAP module solution manager. Okay, it has a different client. I have already explained about landscape. So probably they would like to check whether you are really worked in real time or not. This is one question is sufficient. Question is simple, but it has an effective answer, simple answer they can make out. Okay, that's okay, fine. So then how do you open? That is the question. Whether you work on Solman or not, that is different story. Let's try to understand this. Okay. Uh, before revealing this T code, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, you can give a like and you know I don't know. I'm not regular YouTuber, but that's okay. This is a technical channel. We'll just uh, share this information to others. That's what I wanted to say. So if you are, I'm good at this SAP. If you are from SAP uh, SD background, this is the place where you can able to get the job easily. So you can try this if you want the revision, or else you would like to learn fresh, start afresh for SAP. Try this course, SAP SD Sales and Distribution in plain English. If you'd like to try this, you can try SAP S4 HANA Simple English Logistics. So this is for S4 HANA. Nowadays, you will have one or two questions on S4 HANA also. So like, what is your knowledge they wanted to check. So there is no much difference. There is nothing to fear if you know about ECC. That is fair enough. Okay, maybe like 10% changes are there. If you really have good practice on ECC, you can learn S4 HANA easily. So for that, why can't you spend thousands of rupees? Okay, let's try this course, SAP S4 HANA Business Partners. Additional to that, probably you can cover one or two interview questions based on 2020 it is get started actually. So SAP SD complete pricing concepts. If you want to get the depth of pricing, you better go through this basic course. And I have two courses. This is at advanced level and standard, and this is for rebates actually. This is S4 HANA FSCO integration with, I have given a try. You try. This is useful for SD and FI consultants. Uh, so our credit management settings got moved to S4 HANA. Okay, this is for S4 HANA intercompany sales and consignment sales, and I have captured all business partners from order to cash to intercompany sales. Everything you can get it here. It will be like a good practice for your interview. If you are not at introduced to real time, no worries. Support enhancement project or implementation project, you better go through this course. You will get better idea. I will explain each and every concept. I will explain field by field or section by section. We'll get more detailed. That's what the experience is called. It's not about the reputation of institution. One or two person who has doing the hard work and getting job and giving name to that institution, it doesn't mean that it's not the real institution. The real institution, if you try to learn the things from real-time consultant, that's up to you. It's my call. There is no much differs. This is a lot of sacrifice for upcoming generation for SAP SD. There is something need to give back to society also, and I need to get something else. So you just try all these courses. I'm just providing all these links below of this video. If you want, you can get it. Okay, there is no SAP session. You try to remember this SM underscore CRM. This is the transaction code. When you open, like how you open SAP, you open the Solman. If you type it, it will go to the another browser, NetWeaver. There you can able to create request, change request, or display request. There are a lot of things will be there for user. Olden days, what happens if you'd like to move the transport request, there should be some process. There should be some process, and we need to write an email to basis consultants. And after that, I have done one video also. Probably like, certain companies this also there, but this is self-independent till quality you can able to do it. And after that, this request will be taken care by security or Solman consultants to move it further to production. It has a lot of stuff actually in real time. Okay, if you wanted to learn, you can learn this. So if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. my Udemy courses. This is my request. And if really wanted to get a job in a right fashion, in a, so some of students ask like, hey Jagdish, when you are going to do some course on idocs? I will do it. If I do it, I'll do it in my fashion. Okay. So thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind. All the best. All the best, folks. All the best.